Hello students. Next question. At 298 Kelvin, 550 gram of D2O. Molecular weight is given as 20 gram per mole. Density is given as 1.10 gram per milliliter. And 498.5 gram of H2O. Density is given as 18 gram per mole. Molecular weight is given as 18 gram per mole. Density is given as 0.997 gram per milliliter. Are mixed. The volumes are additive. Means when they are mixed, their volumes will add. When we are mixing a certain volume of D2O with a certain volume of H2O, the volumes will add. So final volume of the solution will be equal to sum of the volume of D2O and H2O. 47% of the H2O reacts to form HDO. Calculate Kc at 298 Kelvin for the reaction. Now first of all, let us calculate the moles of D2O. Moles of D2O will be equal to weight divided by molecular weight, that is 20. So moles of D2O is equal to 27.5 moles. Moles of H2O will be equal to weight of H2O, that is 498.5 divided by molecular weight of H2O, that is 18 gram per mole, and this is equal to 27.69. Now volume of D2O. Volume of D2O will be equal to mass divided by density. Mass by volume is density. So volume is equal to mass by density. So mass is equal to 550 divided by density, that is 1.10, and this is equal to 500 milliliter. Similarly, volume of H2O will be equal to mass by density, that is 498.5 divided by 0.997, and this is equal to 500 milliliter. Now since the volumes are additive, what will be the total volume? Total volume is equal to volume of D2O plus volume of H2O, and this is equal to 1000 milliliter or 1 liter. So concentration of D2O in moles per liter will be 27.5 divided by 1, which is equal to 27.5, and concentration of H2O in moles per liter will be 27.69 divided by 1, which is equal to 27.69. So now we can write the concentrations of H2O and D2O. So H2O is 27.69 and D2O is 27.5. Now according to the question, only 47% of H2O reacts to form HDO. So we have to find out 47% of 27.69. So 47% of 27.69 will be equal to 47 by 100 into 27.69, and this is equal to 13.01. So 13.01 moles of H2O reacts with 13.01 moles of D2O to form 2 into 13.01 moles of HDO. See, according to the balanced equation, 1 mole of H2O reacts with 1 mole of D2O to form 2 moles of HDO. So 13.01 moles of H2O will react with 13.01 moles of D2O to form 2 into 13.01 moles of HDO. So what is the remaining H2O? Remaining H2O will be 27.69 minus 13.01. Here remaining D2O will be 27.5 minus 13.01, and here HDO formed will be 2 into 13.01, that is 26.02. Now 27.69 minus 13.01, this is equal to 14.68. 27.5 minus 13.01 is 14.49, and amount of HDO is 26.02. Now we know the concentrations of H2O, D2O and HDO. So value of Kc is equal to concentration of HDO, concentration of the product, that is 26.02 raised to the power 2. Why 2? Because the stoichiometric coefficient of HDO is 2, divided by concentration of H2O, which is 14.68, multiplied by concentration of D2O, which is 14.49. Solving, value of Kc is equal to 3.18. So this is the value of Kc.